Well guys, here we go. Today's the day. Really sad, but also great day. We are dropping off Riley today. And we won't be getting her back until tomorrow, which is fine, but as you guys know, this car is going to get its paint correction, its ceramic coating, and just overall detailing. So by the time we get this car back, which is by tomorrow obviously, it should be absolutely mint condition. If you guys do want to know the name of the shop, it's called Restore FX Ontario. So if you guys are Ontario local, then obviously you guys can I recommend these guys. You guys can go to them. They do amazing work. I'll see you guys when we reach there. So we're pretty much almost there now, so I'm just pulling up down the street. We're almost there, so yeah. All right, y'all, so we just finished. We dropped her off to Restore FX. They got 2 Subies in there, and I actually went to go see the owner's R32, which is, the thing is so clean. It's such a good condition. I am so jealous. RB26 twin turbo. Hopefully by the time we come back, so they said it should be done by tomorrow at 11 o'clock in the morning. So as for right now, boys, we're just walking home this time. I am going to finish this walk, and then I will update you guys once I am back at home. Made it back home. Wasn't a bad walk. It's okay. I'm thinking, why not have a little bit of fun with the Del Sol? One thing that I would like to do with this car though is like just do a video of just like doing some POV driving and some, like, you know, drive-bys, flybys and stuff like that. I would really love to do it sometime. If that's something you guys would want to see, if that's something that you guys would like to see, then be sure to comment it down below. Let me know. Let's get to bringing this thing out into the light. Woo. I've been starting this thing up every other day now because if I don't do it within like 1 or 2 days, it ends up waiting a whole week, and then the battery drains out and stuff like that. So I've been really trying to keep consistent on starting this thing all the time. But anyway, we're gonna sit and just we're gonna let the car warm up before I drive it. I do want to take these fenders off because they're old. I don't really need them, and I don't know, I just feel like it's not really needed, especially since we have the new ones in the trunk. So I mean, it makes sense just to take them off, which I might do. I don't know. That's just one of the struggles of being a car person, is that you just always want to do stuff to the car even though you don't need it. If it's not broken, don't touch it. But I still end up wanting to touch like parts even though they don't need to be changed. I just like the feeling of just getting a new part and just replacing it just in general. I don't know if that's just me, but you guys let me know if you guys do the same. It feels so good to bring this thing outside, but you know, soon we'll be able to take this thing out on actual roads, so that's gonna be cool. I can't wait to get rollers of this thing. It's gonna be so nice, so crispy. Oh, just wait on it. Time for talking's over. I'm gonna enjoy this thing for a little bit. Oh man, guys, I can't begin to tell you how good this feels right now. Woo. It just feels so good. So good. Oh my gosh. It feels so good, guys. Oh my god. I cannot wait to take this thing out onto the actual streets. It's gonna be so good. Oh my gosh. It drives so well. It's definitely a lot more fun than the Mazda already. It's kind of weird, but yeah, I can't wait, guys. This thing's gonna be so good when it comes out. This car is so damn awesome. This car is so damn good. Like, oh, I can't explain the feeling I get when I get into this thing, or even just seeing it out here. It's just so beautiful. I love it. Anyway, Joyride is pretty much over. I'm gonna go ahead and put this car back in, and yeah. There she is. It was nice taking her out for a little bit, but now it's back into hibernation just for a little bit longer. I cannot wait until I can bring this thing out into public for you guys all to see at shows, at meets, or even just on the road if you guys ever do see me. So another super cool thing is that it is not dripping any oil, which is very strange. Usually these cars drip oil like crazy, and it was dripping oil, but after I've driven it, it just stopped leaking oil and stuff, so that is a good thing. So thank goodness for that. I'll update this video once I pick up Riley tomorrow, so I'm gonna fast forward until the next day. So I'll see you guys soon. Peace. All right, y'all, what is up is currently the next day, and we are actually going to pick up Riley now, so I'm super pumped, I'm super excited. But yeah guys, right now it's actually like so beautiful out again. I'll see you guys soon, so peace. All right y'all, so I'm here and holy snap, I see Riley, and let me tell you guys something. Holy crap, she looks so damn clean. This is the most cleanest and most pristine condition I've ever seen her. Like, this is insane. I'll show you guys soon, just wait on it. But holy crap, we are back inside Riley. Oh my god, it feels so good. It feels so good. Restore FX just goes ahead and brings your car back to like brand new spec. All right y'all, let me show you exactly how clean. Let me show you exactly how clean this thing is. 3, 2, 1. That's it right there. The Mazda 3 Riley looks absolutely insane. Like, this is crazy. Just look at the headlights. Like, this is like in freaking insane. Like, you could just see even the bulb clear as day. It is like crystal clear. The paint is like immaculate. No swirls, no scratches whatsoever. The whole body of the car is just beautiful. The tail lights, crystal clear there, crystal clear. Like, the whole car in general is just super clean. Like, I swear, you guys do not understand how clean this car is. Like, it's insane. Like, the videos don't even do it justice. I mean, you can see how clean it is even in the video, but seeing it in person is like totally different. And this is exactly what I wanted for this car, is to get it nice in mint condition, just a nice clean base, so that when I start to do mods and stuff on it, when the time does come, everything is just seamless and easy. If you guys want your car looking like this, definitely hit up Restore FX Ontario. I'm telling you, I'll link their Instagram in the description below. The work that they're doing is so good. Just letting them know that Jay's the one that sent you to them and recommended to go there, and you know, they'll take good care of you. Super cool shout out to them too for giving me this Restore FX lanyard. I love lanyards. And also they hit you up with a Restore FX face mask, and you know, just like a couple flyers, some stickers. Riley is looking so clean and so mint. Wait until it's her time to finally get modified. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please give this video a fat thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you guys know every time that I post. So with that said, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Damn, Riley looks so clean. Peace.